channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. Today I have got another tutorial video for you, and we are talking about how to make caramelized onions. This is a really easy recipe if you've never made them before. They only require 2 ingredients, and they are, I think, an incredibly versatile thing to be able to know how to make because you can use them so many different ways. So essentially what caramelized onions are is they are onions that have been cooked down and start to caramelize. Onions inherently have some sugars in them, so as you cook them down, they start to brown and they get a little bit sweet. That bitterness and that kind of tang and zing that onions have when they're raw goes away completely, and they can be used, like I said, a ton of different ways. Everything from pizza, pasta, dips, salads, sandwiches, etc. They are so great and they are super easy. So if you want to follow along with a step-by-step tutorial on the blog, you can find that link right down below in the description box. But if you are more interested in the video, which I'm sure you are because you're watching this video, you can follow along here and we will get started. Before we do, if you are new around here, I would encourage you to subscribe. We do tons of cooking tutorials as well as sharing healthy recipes, lots of plant-based content. Everything is gluten-free, everything is dairy-free, and everything is refined sugar-free on this channel, and there's always a ton to choose from. So I hope you join us. You can tap the red button that is right below this video. Now, without further ado, let's get into our caramelized onion tutorial. So the first step is to obviously chop our onions. I like to peel my onion and then I slice it, both of the ends off, and then I slice it in half, and then I lay the flat side down and use a really sharp knife to thinly slice it into half moon shapes. Then you are going to add your oil. I use olive oil. You can use any type of oil you want into your pan, and it's about 2 tablespoons of oil, and you'll add your onion, and you're basically just going to saute the onion until it is completely caramelized. It will take about maybe 5 to 8 minutes, but once it is fully cooked and caramelized, this is what it looks like. So that's pretty much all you need to know to learn how to make them. Like I said, it's super easy, but I do want to show you 2 of my favorite ways to use caramelized onions. So the first, as I mentioned already, is on pizza. This is the grain-free pizza that I shared on the channel a while ago, but so good. It is such an amazing topping, and I just love that the flavor of the caramelized onion really comes through. On pizza, I find that these just have a better flavor than if you added onions raw on top of pizza, and it's just the perfect addition. So if you want to try this, I will link it down below for you. My second favorite way to use caramelized onions is in my vegan caramelized onion dip. It is cashew based. It is so good. I can't wait to make it for the holiday season. It is like a crowd pleaser, although we're not doing crowds this year, obviously, but it is so good and really easy to make, and you basically stir in the caramelized onions, and it's this thick, cheesy vegan dip that seriously tastes incredible. So if you want to try that, I will link it down below for you. It is so good. I can't wait to make it again. Look how good this is. Dip it with some crackers and you're pretty much good to go. And like I said, you can also use this with pasta, sandwiches, etc. So that's the deets on caramelized onions. And there you have it, my friends. That is how to make caramelized onions. As you can see, super simple. And there are, as I said, a ton of different ways to use them. I have a few recipes on the blog that do use caramelized onions, but I encourage you to make a big batch and then just kind of use them as a condiment. Like I said, you can stir them into dips, like that caramelized onion dip that I shared. They're great on top of pizzas. They're so delicious stirred into pasta. Like if you stir them into box mac and cheese, it elevates it almost instantly. You also can put them inside sandwiches, whether you're making like a grilled cheese or you're just having a veggie sandwich, or you could put them on top of something for Christmas dinner, whether it's like a lentil loaf or tofu, etc. You get the gist of what I'm saying. They're kind of an easy way to fancify something that you're eating, and they couldn't be easier to make. It's one of those things that makes it seem more impressive when you put them on or stir them in, but it's just a really simple thing to do. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If there is any other tutorial style things that you're looking to learn how to make, let me know in the comments. As I said in the beginning, we also have a blog post that goes along with this video, so you can find that linked down in the description box. And if you are new around here, I would encourage you and love for you to subscribe and join our community. Super easy. All you have to do is tap the red button that is right below this video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That thumbs up button helps our videos be seen by more people and helps us share all of this healthy content with additional folks and additional eyes, and I so appreciate the support. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. You are amazing. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.